Let's go.
Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. So today I'm making this a kind of thing what I don't know. So the
Oh my God.
ingredients are apples, bananas, grapes, green chutney, and the fruit cocktail, and milk, nuts, yogurt, and pukia, and salt, and 2 cans of peas, and last but not least, and another kind of fruit cocktail. So I'm going to cut the last 3, and in 3 grapes, cut it in half is a 6 half. So let's start. This is, I'm helping my mom's job because this is what all kids should do. But if you don't know, you can learn from this video. Chat now.
Have you washed your hands?
No.
Go and wash it first.
Okay. So first up, let's get a bowl. And remember to wash your hands. Second, put all these ingredients in. Make sure you don't dump the whole thing. You washed the apples. My mum washed them for me and I'm doing the rest for her. There goes all the apples. Which one do you think is next? Banana or grape? I will think banana one. So banana is quite sticky, so make sure you done it properly. Now last but not least, grapes, which are quite heavy. And done. And all you just need is to mix. Everyone, look at the design. What do you think is up next? Fruit cocktail or the nuts? I think fruit cocktail. So before we start moving, stuff it in here. So all the juice.
Okay.
So all the juice is out. So now all the juice is out of the fruit cocktail. Now we can put the fruit cocktail in this. So we just need to mix it again, which is quite weird. Now we add the fruit cocktail. You can't see the fruit cocktail, but it is mixed. Like this. Oh my god. Like this. It's a pot of fruit cocktail. And this. Everything is included in the fruit cocktail.
Some nuts.
Now what do you want me to put nuts?
Some.
How much? Like 5, 6, 8, 9.
1 spoon.
1 spoon of nuts. This enough? That's it goes. Now the nuts are going to be quite invisible.
Some cream.
What? This cream? Did you open it? So do I just do that? What there is with it? Why is it not? Oh my god, cream is on, but quick. So can you help me?
Okay.
Uh-oh.
बहुत मीठा है इसलिए मामा कह रहे हैं थोड़े डालो
Enough है.
Enough that? Now another?
That's enough. That's enough.
It's not going to stop. Oh no. So that. Oh my god, it's going back up. Now just mix it. Now, approximately it's going to be so sweet. So then this is, now my mum did the final mixing and it's the next up for the pookia and it's quite embarrassing with this kind of mold. So first up,
What's embarrassing in this?
it's
Oh my god.
Pink.
yeah, what is negative to me.
Okay.
Oh.
So let's show you the ingredients. I mean these ingredients. So we got this. Well, if you're Pakistani, you might know what is this. And we got some pukia and whatever. And some peas. I mean, not peas, some
Chickpeas.
chickpeas, salt, as you all might know, yogurt, Tesco Greek yogurt, and some of this chat masala and some more yogurt. So let's start off with the simplest ingredients. Yogurt, do I put all of it in or half?
Half all.
All. So that's all in. Okay. This is done now. Right, spoon in. Now, look at my hands. I'm going to dirty them.
Go and wash it.
Well, I can just tissue, but never mind. So,
Now Qasim start.
now we got some help.
I'm busy, I'm retired.
So let's put some chutney in, and I got some helpers. And do you need full or half?
A little.
A little.
Like an inch.
But that's it.
Okay.
Or an
Now
inch.
we add these in. I will mix this.
No.
We just need to mix it. You do whatever this is called. I don't know.
Pulkia.
Chickpeas.
And then
Take water out from chickpeas.
first take the water out. Let's pour the water in here.
Don't put it in here. Yeah, put it there.
Like if we use this.
Yeah, we always use it. So now put the chickpeas in. I put the chickpeas. Okay.
We call it. Wait, let me read it. Wait, that was chop masala, I think.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's too much.
Don't worry. Okay, that's actually. Don't you call it too much?
Yeah. Actually, no.
That looks fine.
Let me taste.
Get another spoon.
No, I want to taste. No.
Mm.
So let me taste it if I'm good.
I think that's enough now. That's enough.
Now let me taste.
Now let me taste.
Come on. Don't eat the rest, little guy. So, as you know, when we get a silver play button, we are going to give it away when we get the ruby play button. Bismillah.
Thank you.